Hi, I am Chef Md Alamraza Khan restaurant style homemade recipe. Here is a classic and flavorful recipe for Tawa Fish, a popular Indian fish dish that's spiced and pan-seared for a delightful taste and texture. Ingredients: 500 grams fish fillets, preferably firm fish like tilapia, pomfret, or kingfish. 2 tablespoons gram flour, besan. 1 tablespoon rice flour, optional, for extra crispiness. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon red chili powder, adjust to taste. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Salt to taste. 2 to 3 tablespoons oil for frying. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Instructions: prepare the marinade. In a mixing bowl, add gram flour, rice flour, lemon juice, turmeric, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, and salt. Mix well until a smooth, thick paste forms. Marinate the fish. Coat each fish fillet with the spice mixture, making sure it's well covered. Allow the fish to marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour in the refrigerator. This step helps the spices absorb better. Cook the fish on the tawa. Heat a large tawa, griddle, or heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and let it heat. Place the marinated fish fillets on the hot tawa. Avoid overcrowding. Cook in batches if necessary. Cook each side for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the fish is cooked through and the outside is golden and crisp. Flip carefully to avoid breaking the fillets. Serve. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves and a few lemon wedges. Serve hot with mint chutney, onion rings, or as an accompaniment to a main meal. Tips: use fresh fish for the best flavor. Adjust spices as per your preference. If you like extra crispiness, increase the amount of rice flour slightly. Enjoy your delicious tawa fish. Please subscribe YouTube channel TTS 2.0. Please like and share. Thanks for you.